Namaskar. You are welcomed in Manovigyanam, that is psychologyLet. Let us know those 5 big reasons due to which we get opportunity to choose optional subject at whatever level of education, that is in 9th, 11th or BA first level. Then we should take psychology as main subject, or optional subject, or at least, it should be taken as an additional subject. 1. The first reason is life. Yes, life. Life has a deep connection with psychology. Let's understand how. What is life? Day-to-day events: sleeping, eating, drinking, crying, laughing, etc. etc. Life happens in many types of these events. Every event has a cause. And every event also has an effect. So knowing the cause-effect of an event is psychology. In psychological language, it is called law of cause-effect. So that's just psychology. And we do the same thing for the rest of our lives. We remove the causes so that the unwanted event does not happen. We create causes so that the desired event can happen. We increase the effects of good and pleasant events so that more happiness and joy can be found. We try to reduce the impact of bad and sad events so that sorrow and suffering can be reduced. And psychology helps us in these tasks, and in this form, it proves to be a most true and completely loyal friend. So no matter how do you live, you live well, or anyway, just live and go on. Cause and effect will always be there in your life. And if you're just alive, you can't escape from them. That is, you can't escape psychology in the other sense. Whether you read it or not, know it or learn it or don't do anything with it, it will certainly happen in your life, knowingly or unknowingly, manifestly or not. And it's meaningful in adopting what is there. 2. Second reason. Inclusion. Psychology has inclusion in every subject matter. Psychology is certainly present in any subject you study. Asking questions is psychology. Answering is psychology. Creating a good answer is psychology. And to produce more better answer is psychology. Giving the best answer is also psychology. Psychology is an essential part of every subject. It is explicitly or implicitly included or present in every subject, whether you know it or not. Remembering is psychology. Memorizing quickly is psychology. Being able to remember for longer time is psychology. Psychology is the retrieving of memory at the appropriate time. And whether you believe it or not, there must be some psychological reason behind whatever your favorite subject is today, and there must be some psychological reason behind the subject you dislike today. To make any subject a subject of choice or interest, it is a necessary condition that it should become a part of your daily life and you go on living that part with passion. And psychology is already an integral part of our life. If you have interest in life and you live it in a good, smooth and orderly manner, then psychology cannot remain without becoming your favorite subject. That is, you do not have to make any extra effort to make it your favorite subject. 3. The third reason is freedom. Yes, the freedom that is available to us through this subject. Freedom to think, to write, to choose, to be and to create. You must be thinking how? Let's know how. Psychology gives you opportunities to think in a new way by breaking your stereotypes and giving you opportunities to be free from mental slavery conditions. There are no bounded answers in psychology. You can write the answers to your questions in your own language. And all fit almost right. For example, how would you control your anger? Your answer to this question may be completely different and opposite to the one given by your friend, but still both can be correct. And that's why there is freedom of writing in psychology. Freedom to choose means that you can go to any field with psychology. That is, you can choose any career. Art, commerce and science, all streams have ample opportunities to go advance in psychology. There are many universities that offer both arts or MA and MSc degrees in psychology. That is, you can also do BA, MA from psychology, and if you want, you can also do BSc and MSc. In the field of commerce, salesmen improve their sales record by applying psychology. There is a separate psychology available to earn money. Today, psychology is working not only in the medical field but also in tandem with the latest concept of engineering, AI, that is artificial intelligence. There are many similarities between human brain and computer system. Psychology is working from sports to space. You will be surprised to know that psychologists have also been included in Elon Musk's Mars project, designed for sending man to Mars. If we talk about the freedom of becoming something, then psychology gives you a good opportunity to enhance your personality to the ultimate extent. To develop fully by recognizing the hidden powers inside you, for which you are born. And if such a possibility exists, then you can convert all your possibilities into reality through psychology. Psychology accepts you as a whole with your negative side too. This exists in everyone, due to which the person is not able to progress, does not develop fully and suffers from inferiority complex. But psychology not only accepts this negative side but also does the work of transformation by treating it properly. Through psychology, you can easily convert your negative energy into positive energy. Fourth, wisdom, beyond superstition and hypocrisy. Do you not believe in ghosts and want to remove them completely from the society? Then psychology is for you. Because psychology provides a scientific reason behind every event, and that too with evidence analysis. In psychology, we recognize ghost coming event as a disorder called multiple personality disorder and schizophrenia. These diseases are 100% cured with the use of psychotherapy and medicines. On the contrary, do you believe deeply in ghosts? Even then psychology is for you. Whatever existence of consciousness remains after death. Parapsychology, the branch of psychology, not only teaches these subjects, but also does research on them in a scientific and systematic way. Overall, psychology can play an active role in completely eliminating superstition and hypocrisy from your life. Reason fifth, feel proud. Fifth is feel proud. Yes, you will always feel proud with psychology. And we are talking about the entire education world. This experiment has been done all over the world. When fully educated learners were asked which subject they would definitely choose or would like to study if they had the opportunity to study again by choosing a subject, about 80% of the learners answered psychology. That is simply means that they regret not being able to study psychology as a subject. Psychology is the subject of that high level which never lets you get frustrated and bored. While studying psychology, you will always feel that you are studying a top-class subject in the world, and you will consider yourself lucky that you got this opportunity. So choose happiness and development instead of repentance. Choose psychology and read. Have a good career. A simple, smooth and easy career is welcoming you. Hope your time with Manovigyanam has been well utilized.